Enceladus is a moon smaller than the state of Texas, and right now it is spraying its own ocean straight into space. Every second, geysers near its south pole blast ice crystals and water vapor out at 800 miles an hour, shooting plumes over 60 miles high, high enough that some of it never falls back down. This isn't a one-time eruption. It has been happening non-stop for at least 20 years, since the Cassini spacecraft first flew close enough to see it in 2005, and scientists believe it's been going on for millions of years before that. The cracks doing the spraying are called tiger stripes, 4 parallel fractures near the moon's south pole, each one over 80 miles long, glowing warmer than the ice around them. Cassini didn't just photograph the plumes from a distance. It flew directly through one in 2008, close enough that its instruments tasted the spray. Water, ice, salt, and organic molecules, the building blocks of life, all riding those jets into the vacuum of space. Some of that material falls back to the surface as fresh snow. The rest escapes Enceladus's weak gravity entirely and spreads out to form Saturn's faint, hazy E-ring, meaning one small moon has been quietly building one of Saturn's rings out of its own leaking ocean. We post one of these every single day, so if a leaking moon can catch you off guard, subscribe so tomorrow's discovery doesn't slip past you. What makes this even stranger is what's driving it. Enceladus sits so far from the sun that its surface temperature hovers around -330 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough that water should be frozen solid all the way through. Instead, Saturn's gravity is flexing the moon like a stress ball with every orbit, squeezing and stretching its interior, until friction generates enough heat to keep an entire ocean liquid, sealed under an ice shell roughly 12 miles thick. Drop a comment if you want to see what's actually swimming down there, because in 2015, Cassini found something that made this discovery even bigger: hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, chemically similar to the ones deep in Earth's oceans that support entire ecosystems without a single ray of sunlight. That means every plume erupting off Enceladus isn't just ice. It's a direct sample of an alien seafloor, delivered to space for free. NASA now ranks this 600-kilometer ball of ice among the most likely places in the entire solar system to find life that isn't from Earth. A moon that small was never supposed to have an ocean at all, let alone one warm enough for chemistry that looks like the start of life. And yet Enceladus has been spraying the evidence into space for us to fly through for 2 decades. NASA's future missions are being designed specifically to go back and read what's inside that spray in more detail. Hit the bell so you don't miss it when they do. And tomorrow, we go somewhere even stranger.